नमस्ते एवरीवन, खुश रहिए। आई एम जेवीएन लक्ष्मी जहांगीर, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर एट ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी, फैकल्टी ऑफ लॉ एंड गवर्नेंस, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ मैनेजमेंट एंड कॉमर्स. माय सब्जेक्ट इज introduction to retail operation. Today I am going to discuss about the topic of basic accounting. So what are the basic accountings? So let's start with, there are the 8 accounting formulas every business should know. So start with the first accounting equation. So the accounting equation is assets equals to liability plus owner's equity. So what it means, what is assets? All of things you company own including property, cash, inventory and equipment that will provide with the future benefits are called as assets. Then what is liability? Liabilities are the obligation that you must pay, including things like lease payments, merchant account fees, debts, etc. And what are the owner's equity? Is the portion of a company that actually belongs to the owner. So the accounting equation is asset equals to liability minus owner's equity. So the next formula is net income. So what are the net income? Is revenue minus expenses equals to net income. So I already told about the revenue. So once again I am telling you that sales or other positive cash inflow that comes into your company are revenue, or the costs that are associated with making sale is expenses. So you have to subtract the expenses from revenue equals to net income. Then the third formula is break even point. Break even volume equals to fixed cost minus variable cost per unit. So what is fixed cost? Fixed costs are recurring predictable costs that you must pay in order to conduct business. These costs include insurance premium, rent, employee salary, electricity, etc. And what is variable cost per unit? It is the amount it costs you to make your product. It can be vary from product to product. So break-even point is fixed cost minus variable cost per unit. Then next is cash flow. What is cash flow? So cash flow is cash ratio equals to cash divided by current liabilities. So what it means? Cash is simply the amount of cash held to your disposal. This can include actual cash and cash equivalent. So cash ratio is equals to cash divided by current liability. And what is current liabilities? I already told you that current debt the business has incurred in current situation. Next is profit margin. So the profit margin equals to net income divided by sales. Net income I already told that net income is revenue minus expenses. So net income divided by sales equals to profit margin. And what is sales? So sales are the total amount of the sales you have generated. Next is debt to equity ratio. So debt to equity ratio equals to total liability divided by total equity. total liability includes all of the cost you must pay to outside parties such as loan or interest payments. And what is total equity? Is how much of the company actually belongs to the owners or other employees. You can also say the amount of money the owner has invested in his or her company. Next is the cost of goods sold. What is the cost of goods sold? Cost of goods sold equals to cost of material divided by inventory minus cost of output. So, cost of goods sold equals to cost of material divided by inventory minus cost of output. So, what is cost of output? Is the total cost of goods sold. Okay. Now, what is retained earning? Retained earning equals to beginning retained earning plus net income or net loss minus cash dividends. So retained earning represents the sum of all net income since business inceptions minus all cash dividend paid since inception. And beginning retained earning is the retained earning balance from the prior accounting period. And the cash dividend is a payout to those who own common stock. So retained earning is beginning retained earning plus net income or net loss, whatever it is, minus cash dividend. So this session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query regarding this, please mention in the comment box so I will resolve it. Thank you.